All right, so I wanted to show you how to use this SlidesGo template. So basically, you just need to find one of these that you like. So there's a bunch of different designs for PowerPoint and Google Slides templates here. So you can go into the different categories. They have popular, they have education, and then there's business templates here. So let's try marketing. And then once you see one that you like, I like this one. It's got a nice look to it. So I'm going to go here where it says download this template and click where it says Google Slides. Or you could do PowerPoint if you would like. But do Google Slides. And then you can make a copy. So click this and it takes a second for it to load. And then after it loads, then we'll change the company name, or sorry, the file name to be company research. So you should name it whatever your project name is. We'll call this company research project for this one. And then you're ready to start editing. So what we need to do is maybe insert some pictures here. So I'm just gonna choose an image here from my pictures. So let's try that one and see if that works. All right, it looks great actually. And then you could put whatever the name of the company that you're looking at here and just start editing the presentation. Okay, so you could write the date and when you're going to present it, or your name, presented by, and so forth. So then basically when you're going through here, if you want to edit certain sections, you can just keep the template about the same, but change the titles. And then if you want to change the photo here, you have to click background for these and then choose image again. So let's find another image here. How about these little baby toys that this company makes? And then I just hit done. It looks okay. It's a little bit stretched there, but if you have an image, for example, this image, and you want to replace it, instead of inserting an image on top to keep the same position, you just hit replace image here. If you see replace image, okay, so I'm going to click where it says replace image. And then I can upload from computer or pick something from my drive. Let's do upload from computer and pick this baby picture, and that should be all right. I wonder how we can move the baby. Yeah, there we go. We just drag it, which part of it we want into the frame there, I think. And then click outside, and you have your little baby picture there. And then you can replace all this text with other text that's relevant. So I think that's a good start for us here on how to change the template a little bit. Now, once you're finished, we'll say we're finished, go to your Google Classroom page, find EP5 Math, and then we need to find our project wherever it is. So here's the company research project. Click the title, and then click Add or Create. And that's the important step here, is this Add or Create button here. So click Add or Create, and then Slides. And then what we need to do is find, sorry, not Slides. We want to find the one we already made. Sorry, let me close that. That's going to make a blank one if you want to do it like that. But we already made one, so we should click Add or Create and Google Drive, okay? And then the next step is to find what we've created already, which isn't going to work because I haven't shared it with Do. Okay, well, it's going to be in your Google Drive, and you can find it under Recent probably. So if I wanted to select this one, I just hit Insert, and then it's on there, and just hit Submit. And that should be it. But you'll